Was a mile marker bending in the heat. Sky stretched thin like a worn-out sheet. I wasn't looking for a sign or a clue, just driving through what I couldn't undo. Old radio barely holding a tune, static dancing in the afternoon, and something slipped through the empty blue, like it had a map straight leading to you. I didn't turn the dial, didn't ask for anything new. There it was, breaking through. It was a song that found you out on the road with nothing left to prove. Fell through the cracks in the quiet and the blue, like it always knew. It was a song that found you. Didn't matter where you were passing through. Hit like a truth you never could outmove. Yeah. It was written in a room I knew. I pulled over just to hear it clear, heart catching up to my ears. And in that moment something shifted view, like I've been seen without a single clue. Maybe you waited in the wires for years, slipped through stations, dodged all the noise and fears. Maybe it followed every turn you made, till the silence opened just enough space. And it played like it knew your name. Never says it, but it feels the same. It was the song that found you, soft as a spark, but it cut right through. Lit up a place you thought you always knew, but never could. It was the song that found you. No need to chase what was already true. Some things when your heart makes room. Yeah, it found you. Like it's riding every road I choose. Not something lost or something to pursue, just the song that found you. Saw the way you looked at her like she lit a match inside your chest. Don't bother telling me it's harmless, I've memorized your worst and best. Your coat still smelled like winter air, and something sweet that wasn't mine. You came home late with lips half tucked behind a crooked silent lie. So don't say her name, I already know. I watched it happen, soft and slow. The way your fingers brushed her wrist, like I was someone you could miss. Hope she tastes the guilt you hid, 'cause I was that girl you kissed before you learned to forget me quick. Not the storm you thought I'd be, I'm quieter than you deserve. But every calm hides undertow, and baby, I have heard your words. words. You said you love me like no other. I guess she must be just like air, the kind that sneaks into your lungs while I'm still choking on your care. So don't say her name, I already know. I felt it shift that undertow. The way your smile began to twist, like love was something you could quit. You marked me like a cigarette, then burned through that girl you kissed. Like I was just your last regret. And maybe she won't mind the ghosts you carry in your heavy hands, but I hope one night you see my face when you're trying hard to love again. So don't say her name, I carved it deep into the space you used to keep. The warmth I gave, the tears I hid, the version of me you dismissed. Hope she knows who paid the price for that girl you kissed, and every lie behind that night. Yeah, I was that girl you kissed, and the one you left behind. Endless miles behind me, I let them fade. White sky, like a promise made. Every road I wandered pulled me through. Fragments of a life I outgrew. I wore every silence like a coat, held the weight of words I never spoke. Now the wind don't question where I've been, it just lets me breathe again. There's a stillness calling out my name, not a place, not a face, not a flame. I am home in the space I couldn't see, in the quiet that was waiting for me. Not a door, not a light in the night, but a feeling I don't have to fight. All the miles fall out of my bones. I don't need a road to know I am home. I am home. I am home. Old ghosts fade in the open air, lose their shape when I stop to stare. Every shadow softens in the sun, every ending folds into one. I don't chase what I used to chase. Time don't move at the same old pace. There's a rhythm underneath my skin that I'm finally listening. No walls, no keys, no lines to trace. No map could ever hold this place. It was breathing under every dawn. I just had to let it out. I am home in the air I breathe, in the truth I Morning light once caught your hair. The scent of rain on cobblestone mingles with memories I can't repair. I trace the path we used to know, past windows reflecting what I can't let go. 'Cause